This is a book review on a book called Hole in My Life by Jack Gantos. Jack Gantos is now 71 years old, and I believe this is a great book for young adults who may be peer pressured into living a high-risk lifestyle. If you like this video, please do me a favor and leave a like, comment, and subscribe so we can continue to come up with new content for you. Jack Gantos is primarily a fictional writer, but in this book he writes a memoir about his experiences smuggling drugs. I was tentative about reading this book, but it turned out to be one of the better memoirs I've read in a long time. When Jack Gantos was in his early 20s in 1971, he went to prison for drug smuggling. It was a stupid, impulsive crime, and they threw the charges at him, landing him in a medium security prison where an acquaintance, also in for drug charges, was gang raped the first night there. Ironically, this was the place where Gantos truly became passionate about his writing. He had wanted to write professionally for years, but more focused on having life experiences worth writing about than actually putting pen to paper. Deprived of writing materials, he used a copy of the Brothers Karamazov as a journal and struggled to stay in a sane and a dangerous environment where he was constantly in danger of sexual assault or worse. I liked how honest Jack was about his flaws and the bad decisions he made. He looked into his motivations and why he did the things without putting the blame for his mistakes onto other people. He had a wealth of fascinating life experiences, living in a city in the throes of race riots where white people were fleeing in droves, going to a high school that used to be a prison, and he met a lot of interesting people. His writing style was clear and concise and not without humor. It pulls you right into his experiences powerfully and evokes his evolution not only as a man, but as a writer as well. This book was a winner and deserves its place among the must-read memoirs for young adults.